Spoopies, it's Kaylee, and today I'm super excited because I have a KILLSTAR haul, which is like one of my all-time favorite brands, to share with you guys. I haven't been able to like treat myself and really do a haul in a long time, so that's what I decided to do. And I know before you guys really loved it when I did a KILLSTAR haul, and I get questions about shopping at KILLSTAR as a plus size person all the time. So I thought this would be a good opportunity to, show what I got with you guys. And I'm also really excited because this is the first chance I've had. Some of you may know that a while back KILLSTAR finally came out with a plus size range, which they had like, a separate little section for plus size stuff, and it had some stuff in it that was kind of derivative of their straight size stuff, but not exactly the same. And a lot of people were upset because they didn't have as much selection as the straight size section. I'm kind of willing to give them more leeway on that because I understand it's like something new they're trying out. They kind of want to gauge how popular it is, how well it's going to go, before, they commit to putting out a whole bunch of stuff, which I get as a business. So, but I was really excited and really wanted to try out a bunch of stuff from the plus size range, and just was really super broke at the time and couldn't do it, but now I can. So let's check out everything I got. So the first thing I ordered was a new bag, which I super desperately needed, and I got this super cute, it's called the Janis Fringe Bag. And as you can see on all four sides of the bag, it has these really cute fringe decorations. And this is vegan leather. It's like kind of a sacky boho bag, which I'm really into this style right now. I like that the straps are kind of long but not too long, and they have these really nice metal studs on them. It has this really beautiful huge metal moon charm, and it also comes with a optional clip-on fake foxtail charm, which I love. It's just so witchy and bohemian. And of course on the one side it kind of has this subliminated moon design that's a little bit sneaky, kind of hard to see. And on the other side it has a little pocket closure, and all the hardware has the KILLSTAR branding and stuff on it, which is super cool. And I'm not going to show you the inside of it because I've already been using it and put all my stuff in it, but basically it's just a plain black lining. I love that it's kind of casual, kind of dressy. You can kind of dress it up or down, and yeah, I just absolutely love it. And I got another bag because apparently I'm obsessed with bags now. But this is, I can't remember what this is called, but it's like a cute little Tombstone bag. And yeah, this was I think it was on sale for $18, so I just had to have it. It's just such a cute little bag. It's not very big, but it looks like a little tombstone. It's got the beautiful, I love how their bags and stuff have this kind of black hematite type chain. And it has the vegan leather strap, and that's the inside. Again, not very big. You can't fit a whole lot in this except maybe your wallet and cell phone. But I thought it was a super cute little bag that would definitely complement some of my looks. Okay, so next, before I get into the plus size items, I want to show you the one item I got that was not plus sized. And that was this little fuzzy sweater. I think it's called the Beetle, as in Beetlejuice, crop top fuzzy sweater. And it is definitely crop top length. It is very soft and stretchy. Of course I got this in a size XXL, which is the biggest size they have, and that's the size I normally get. but I try to always get things that have, you know, a lot of stretch in them, because if they don't, chances are it won't fit me comfortably. And I've just been really wanting like a black and white striped little crop top like this, and it just so happened to come with this added bonus of this really cute little strange and unusual rosette like prize pin, which I adore these, and I've been looking everywhere for them, and KILLSTAR's website has been sold out of them for a while. And when I realized this sweater came with this pen, I was like, okay, that's the incentive I need. I gotta get it. But they're really cute together, and I love that it comes with a pen, because obviously you can take the pen off and wear it with, you know, whatever you want. The sweater is super cute and stretchy and comfy, and it is just like a great little, you know, crop top piece, and I can imagine doing lots of looks with that. And you can also layer it, or, you know, use it as a real crop top and bare your midriff, like whatever you feel like. Next is something that's actually from the new plus size line, and that is this really cool, it doesn't look like much on its own, but I'll have footage of me wearing it so you can see what it actually looks like on. But it is like this belted cardigan sweater, and I don't know, I just got this because I wanted something kind of like more layering pieces, I guess. It's kind of warm and you can take it off, obviously, and it's just like, it's simple, but it's very cool. I love the fringy bottom down here, the kind of frayed fringy hem. I don't know if you can see that at all, but it has like kind of a hidden moon design knitted into the back of it, and I used to be really into knitting, and I knew what that was called, but I can't remember anymore. Any of my knitters down below, like, let me know if you can remember what it's called. But it's basically kind of like hiding a design in your knitting by using a different kind of stitch. It's very cool. But yeah, that's another just kind of pretty witchy piece that I'm in love with. And again, this is another piece from the plus size line that I just absolutely fell in love with and had to have, and I was devastated because just before I was gonna order everything, they sold out of these. But then I waited a few days, and sure enough, they got them back in stock, so I was able to grab one. But it is this absolutely gorgeous lacy tunic, and it's kind of big and billowy, and as you can see, those are the sleeves. It's like that kind of has like bat-wingy sleeves, or like a poncho almost. But this lace is so gorgeous. It is like to die for. It is like so elaborate and Victorian, and it has these pretty like button closures on the back of the neck. This is just an absolutely gorgeous piece, and there's like a million different ways you can wear it, and I'm super, super glad I was able to snag one. And lastly, another new thing KILLSTAR has come out with this year is shoes, and I actually got a pair of their shoes. I couldn't resist. And these are the ones I got. They are called the Luna high tops for obvious reasons. They are high top like platform sneakers, and they have the metal moon emblem on them and the KILLSTAR branding, of course. I like that they're platform, but they're not too high. I think the platform is only like 2 inches or 1.5 inches or something like that. I just love the look of these. I love that they're made of the vegan leather. They're very soft. I've been wanting like a pair of cool looking sneakers that I can wear that will kind of go with my gothy outfits, if that makes sense. I wanted something that was like casual but still looked cool. And I love that they have a side zip closure so you don't have to, you know, constantly tie and untie and deal with this buckle over here and stuff. I will say, I was nervous about these being a little bit too small because I think my feet are kind of getting a little bigger as I'm getting older. Like, not, obviously your feet don't keep growing, but I feel like maybe they're kind of spreading and getting wider, which I've heard of is a thing that can happen as you get older. So I've noticed a lot of my old shoes that used to fit me fine are a little bit tight now. I normally wear a size 10. These don't come in half sizes, so I had to choose between either a 10 or 11. I was a little bit nervous about sizing, and I was afraid a 10 would probably fit lengthwise, but maybe be a little too narrow, and I ended up ordering the 11s, and I was kind of nervous, afraid they would be too big. But I have to say, after trying them on and stuff, I'm honestly really, really glad I did get the 11s because they're pretty much perfect. They're only a teensy bit longer than, you know, I would normally prefer, and they're pretty much the perfect width size. Like, if they were any smaller, like, it would definitely have squeezed my foot. So I'm really, really happy I ordered an 11. So maybe keep that in mind if you have wider feet. You might want to size up. Yeah, I really, really love these, and I'm sure I'm going to, you know, style these with a ton of looks. So yeah, that's my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. What was your favorite item that was in my haul? Let me know in the comments down below. Is there, like, you know, something that you got from KILLSTAR during their holiday sale? Again, let me know in the comments. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. As always, I truly, truly appreciate it. And if you haven't already and you'd like to, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and become a member of my coven of beautiful spoopies. And as always, guys, remember that you are beautiful just the way you are, and to always be yourself. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!